Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will guide you through the process of installing Windows 11 Enterprise Edition on your laptop or PC. An Enterprise Edition means a premium, business-focused version of Windows 11, offering enhanced security, management tools, long-term support like an extended warranty, and updates. To install the Enterprise Edition, first, you need to download the bootable ISO of the Enterprise Edition. Log in to the link given in the description. Here you can see Windows 11 Enterprise, Server, and SQL versions. Open Windows 11 Enterprise link. Inside the Enterprise, you can also see the LTSC and normal Enterprise Edition's ISO download link. Click the first link to get the Enterprise Edition. Just register to evaluate the version. Fill the form with the required details like name, phone number, and email address. After fill the form, click the Download Now button. Here is the download list. Choose your preferred language and download the ISO. Please wait to complete the download process. It will take up to 15 or 20 minutes. That depends upon your internet speed. After completing the download, the next step is to verify the downloaded ISO file. To verify the file, open Windows PowerShell with admin privileges and type the following command: get-file-hash space ddrive /win_ent /contoso8_1_ent.iso. D is your drive letter where the ISO file is saved. In my PC, the ISO is saved in the D drive. Before starting the procedure, change the ISO file name to contoso8_1_ent. The command given in the description box, you can copy the command from there and paste it into PowerShell for execute it. After executing the command, you will get a hash value with the algorithm. Compare the hash value with the algorithm using the Enterprise Value PDF file. The PDF file link is also given in the description box. This is the algorithm value, and the hash value is also given here. After verifying, create a bootable USB. Connect a pen drive of at least 16 gigabytes of free space. Then open Rufus software and upload the ISO file and create bootable USB. A detailed video of creating a bootable pen drive using Rufus has already been uploaded to this channel. Please check that video if you don't know how to do that. After completing the process, connect that pen drive and restart the system. Boot from that pen drive to install the Enterprise Edition of Windows 11. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.